From obsessive collectors writing nine-figure checks to legendary race cars that changed the course of motorsport history, the world of high-end auction cars operates by rules the rest of us can barely comprehend. We're not talking about expensive, we're talking about record-shattering. In 2022, a single car sold for $142 million. One car, one buyer, one moment that rewrote every record book in the automobile world. But what makes a machine worth that kind of money? Is it the engineering, the legacy, the name on the hood? Today we're counting down the 10 most expensive auction cars ever sold. These aren't just cars, they're rolling pieces of history, and the prices they commanded prove it. Let's go. 10. A 1956 Aston Martin DBR1 Roadster, sold for $22.5 million, 2017. The DB5 might be the most famous Aston Martin, but the DBR1 Roadster is the most important. While James Bond's silver coupe was stealing the spotlight in cinema, the DBR1 was doing something far more significant on the track, winning races that cemented Aston Martin's place among the greatest motorsport marques in history. First of 4 examples ever built, this beautifully restored green Roadster is the exact car that racing legend Sir Stirling Moss drove to his famous come-from-behind victory at the Nürburgring 1,000 kilometers in 1959. Now, one of the most dramatic wins in endurance racing history. When it crossed the block in 2017, it sold for $22.5 million. And given what it achieved on the track, you'd be hard-pressed to call that anything but a bargain. 9. 1967 Ferrari 275 GTB/4 Nart Spider, sold for $27.5 million. The Ferrari 275 GTB is already one of the most coveted Ferraris of all time, but if you want the rarest version of an already rare car, the one that collectors lose sleep over, it's the Nart Spider. Only 10 were ever built. 10. This beautifully restored, matching numbers example is everything a serious collector dreams about. Original, immaculate, and virtually impossible to acquire. Bidding was fierce, and the final price of $27.5 million reflected just how badly the room wanted it. There's one more detail that makes this sale stand out. The entire proceeds were donated to charity. Whoever bought it may have spent a fortune, but they also did something genuinely good with it. 8. 1956 Ferrari 290 MM, sold for $28 million. When Ferrari builds a car specifically for Juan Manuel Fangio, a 5-time Formula 1 world champion and widely considered the greatest racing driver who ever lived, you know it's something extraordinary. This 1956 290 MM wasn't just designed to accommodate a great driver. It was engineered for him, tailored to his preferences, his strengths, and his genius behind the wheel. And then there's how it looks. That distinctive blue and yellow nose makes it one of the most visually striking Ferraris ever to turn a wheel in anger. Beautiful, bespoke, and carrying the fingerprints of the greatest driver in racing history. And it sold for $28 million, and the number feels almost modest. 7. 1954 Mercedes-Benz W196, sold for $29.6 million. Few race cars in history can match the track record of the Mercedes-Benz W196, driven by both Juan Manuel Fangio and Sir Stirling Moss during the 1954 and 1955 Formula 1 seasons. The W196 won 9 of the 12 races it was entered in and secured 2 consecutive world championships. In the brutal, unforgiving world of 1950s Grand Prix racing, that kind of dominance was almost unheard of. This particular example, finished in silver with white racing roundels, claimed the very first of those victories at the 1954 French Grand Prix. But here's the detail that drove its price to $29.6 million. It is the only W196 not locked away in a factory vault or a museum. Every other example is behind glass, untouchable. This one came to auction. One lucky collector understood exactly what that meant. 6. 1967 Ferrari 412 P Berlinetta, sold for approximately $30 million. Only 2 were ever built. The gorgeous prototype combines a rear-mounted 4.0-liter V12 with the P3's chassis and the P4's bodywork, suspension, and wheels. The very best of what Ferrari had to offer in 1967. And it wasn't just a showpiece. This example helped Ferrari claim the World Championship of Makes that same year. When it went under the hammer in August 2023, 2023, some in the room were expecting a number closer to $40 million. It fell short of that, landing just north of $30 million, which some called a disappointment. But a $30 million disappointment tells you everything you need to know about just how majestic this car truly is. 5. 1957 Ferrari 335S, sold for $35.7 million. There are race cars that wore Ferrari red, and then there are the ones that actually raced for Ferrari. The ones that carried the Marque's reputation into battle, lap after lap, corner after corner. The 1957 335S belongs in that second rarefied category, and it may be the finest example of all. This is the car that gave Ferrari the Constructors' World Championship in 1957, piloted that season by legends including Peter Collins, Wolfgang von Trips, and Luigi Musso. It also crossed the line in second place at the final Mille Miglia, the last time that legendary road race was ever run. Sold by Art Curiel for $35.7 million, it is the car that won Ferrari's greatest season. The price reflects nothing less. 4. 1962 Ferrari 250 GTO, sold for $38.1 million. 2014. If you had to name the most iconic Ferrari ever built, most serious enthusiasts would land on the same answer. The 1962 Ferrari 250 GTO. Ferrari built just 36 of them. A street-legal race car powered by a 3.0-liter V12. And somehow, against all odds, every single one of those 36 cars survived to this day. Chassis 3851 GT spent 49 years in the hands of a single owner, Fabrizio Violati, who didn't just collect it, he raced it. This was a car that was driven, loved, and lived in. When Bonhams put it up for bid in 2014, expectations were already sky high. The final price, a then world record $38.1 million, stunned the room. It wouldn't hold the record for long. 3. 1962 Ferrari 250 GTO, third off the line. Sold for $48.44 million. 4 years after Chassis 3851 GT set the record, another 250 GTO came to auction and knocked it off its throne by more than $10 million. The two cars are almost identical to look at, both GTO coupes, both V12 powered, both carrying the weight of Ferrari legend on every panel. But this example had something the other didn't. It was the third car ever to leave the production line, and it retained over 95% of its original factory components. No heavy restoration, no replaced parts, just one of the rarest cars in history, surviving the decades in extraordinary original condition. When R.M. Sotheby's brought the hammer down at $48.44 million, it became the most expensive car ever sold at auction, for about 4 years anyway. 2. 1962 Ferrari 330 LM/250 GTO, sold for $51.7 million. As this countdown has made abundantly clear, no marque commands the imagination of serious collectors quite like Ferrari. And sitting just below the summit is yet another 250 GTO. This example may not have the most decorated competitive record, though it did win its class at the Nürburgring 1,000 kilometers in 1962. What truly sets it apart is this: it was one of just 2 cars raced directly by the in-house Scuderia Ferrari team. Not a customer car, not a privateer entry, a works machine. Add to that the awards it's collected on the classic car show circuit over the past decade, and its immaculate preservation, and the $51.7 million sale price feels entirely justified. Don't be surprised if someone breaks it in the next few years though, not with the direction this market has been heading. 1955 Mercedes-Benz 300 SLR, sold for $142 million. 2022. Records are meant to be broken, but nobody saw this coming. In May 2022, the 1955 Mercedes-Benz 300 SLR Uhlenhaut Coupe sold for $142 million, obliterating the previous record by an almost incomprehensible $93.5 million. The car is named after Rudolf Uhlenhaut, Mercedes' legendary chief engineer engineer who used it as his personal road car, one of only 2 ever built. It was originally designed to compete in the 1955 Carrera Panamericana, a race that was canceled before it could run. What followed was decades of silence. The car sat in the Mercedes collection, seen by almost no one. Its existence known, but its full magnificence never truly on display. Until 2022, the entire $142 million went to the newly established Mercedes-Benz Fund, a global scholarship program supporting young people working to build a more sustainable world. A car that made history, a sale that made history, and now a legacy that extends far beyond the automobile world. The 300 SLR Uhlenhaut Coupe isn't just the most expensive auction car ever sold. It is the most expensive vehicle of any kind ever, period. And something tells us it might hold that title for a very long time. And there you have it, the 10 most expensive auction cars of all time. From Sterling Moss's Aston to Fangio's Ferrari, from the legendary 250 GTO to the silver machine that shattered every number anyone had ever imagined. These aren't just cars, they're time machines. Rolling proof that passion, history, and engineering greatness have a price, and that price has no ceiling. Which one would you want in your garage? Let us know in the comments below, and if you loved this video, hit subscribe, because we've got a lot more automotive history where this came from.